Hello, everyone, and welcome to the final activity for consonant sounds. Thus far, we've looked at the consonant chart. We've looked at all 24 consonant sounds. We've talked about voiced and voiceless consonant sounds, where a lot of the times, even though we have the same motion or the same components of the speech pathway, uh, whether the consonant sound is voiced or voiceless will determine that sound. Like with p, p, p and b, 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 or f, 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 and v, v, v. Only difference between those are that one is voiceless and one is voiced. We've talked about stops and continuant consonants that dictate the flow of air. We've talked about the speech pathway itself just in the previous activity and all the different parts of the speech pathway and how they determine greatly the different consonant sounds in English. So exercise 8 is kind of a summary of everything that we've looked at in this chapter. And you're looking at what are called minimal pairs. Words that have the same vowel sounds, but the only difference is, more often than not, the initial consonant sound is different. So what I'd like you to do for this exercise is listen and repeat. Listen to CD4 track 13 and repeat each of these consonant sounds. And I want you to pay particular attention to the part of the speech pathway that's used to produce these sounds. Is the sound voiced or is it voiceless? Which part of the speech pathway is being used to produce each of these consonant sounds? Listen to them a few times. Listen to CD4 track 13, maybe 2 or 3 times. Then practice 2 or 3 times on your own these different minimal pairs. Listen and repeat as many times as you need to, and as you're doing it, again, pay particular attention to the part of the mouth, of the speech pathway that's used to produce these sounds, kind of like what we did in the previous activity. So after you're done practicing, when you're ready, record yourself pronouncing these minimal pairs, and that is your final exercise for consonant sounds.